Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this GOOLOO jump starter and power bank. They were nice enough to send me this item for free so I can make a video showing it to you. We take a look. It comes in this handy dandy zip up case. Open it up, we get a user manual. We have the jump starter, which has this little band telling us to fully charge it before our first use. Now this is their Elite Series 1200 amp jump starter. It has an 18,000 milliamp hour battery inside. It says it works for up to 7-liter gas or 5.5-liter diesel. Obviously it also works as a power bank, so you can charge your phone, tablet, whatever you have. So you see we have a power button right there with some battery level indicator lights. On the side we have a light for the flashlight. We can strobe, we can SOS, have it on just high. We have two USB ports on the side. We have the smart port here that is a 2.4 amp. We have the regular one that is a 2.1 amp. We have a 12 volt 10 amp output here, and then your charge port is a 1 amp 15 volt. Now as we look at some of their accessories you get, this is for charging the device. It has this barrel connector that plugs into your input. So your cigarette lighter or accessory port on your car, or even a portable power station, could charge your GOOLOO. They also include a USB-C cable. This doesn't go to the device itself. It's for charging like your cell phone or tablet, any other thing you have. They just include that for you. We also have this barrel connector to accessory port that plugs in right here. So any device you have, maybe a tire inflator or something that uses the cigarette lighter style plug, you can plug into this guy and power it up. We also get the wall charger for the GOOLOO. And here we have the jump cables themselves, and they plug in right here. Just peel back this door and plug it in there. I really love these portable jump starters. It's my life goal to never need a set of jumper cables ever again. Never be on the side of the road waiting for someone to show up with jumper cables. Not at all. I have 4 vehicles. Every one of them has a jump starter in the trunk for just in case. So if we look at this box here, you'll have a light to tell you if the cables are reversed, green light if they are correct. When you're ready to jump start the vehicle, you press the boost button there. And then here are our cables, which have maybe the strongest spring I've seen out of any of these. That's a forearm workout if you want it to be. So it's exercise equipment also. What do you say we go jump start something? Always out here putting the cart before the horse. We gotta charge it up first. You can see the indicator light there flashing. We'll wait till it's on solid. Assume that means charged. Then we'll go start something. Now that the GOOLOO is all charged up, we're gonna jump start this 66 Caprice. Now the battery's not actually dead, but what we're gonna do is hook up the GOOLOO and disconnect the battery. So the only thing powering the engine is the GOOLOO, and we'll see if it'll start. You can see doors open, no lights on. Battery's disconnected. Got the clamps hooked up. You'll notice going right to the cable on this side. Also, if you have a top post, see how we're able to fit on the clamp? I've had other jump starters where the clamps didn't get big enough for a top post battery, so it's good to know it'll fit that. Hooked up, plugged in, need to hit the boost button and go give it a shot. Notice the lights are on now. Left the key on. We both know every spring that lawn tractor battery is dead. So again, have the negative cable disconnected. So we're only going through the GOOLOO. Gonna hit boost. which isn't the easy thing to do with fat fingers. Learn how to work your stuff. Running off GOOLOO power. If the GOOLOO will jumpstart this small block 350, it'll probably jumpstart what you have also.